Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Saparnika Whispering Petals, which is located in Hoskote, East Bangalore, a project developed by Saparnika Projects. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So right now I'm standing on the land parcel, and this is the marketing office on my left hand side, where you'll be getting all the information details, and you can check out the model flat as well. And now about the land parcel is just behind me over here, where the construction work is in progress. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So the project is spread across 8.3 acres of land parcel, consisting of 3 towers with 2 basement, ground plus 19 floors, having exclusive 1, 2 and 3 BHK premium units, where you will even get private terrace garden unit on the ground floor. Additionally, there are no common walls. Now let's discuss the location part, and the project is located in Hoskote, East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road over the side will take you towards KR Puram, and the opposite side road will connect you to STRR. So basically the project will be having 2 connectivity from 2 major roads. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to STRR within 2 minutes from the project. Silicon City Hospital is 5 minutes away. Vibgyor School is 15 minutes from the project. Kempegowda International Airport in 30 minutes, and even ITPL Whitefield is 30 minutes away from the location. Now coming to the amenities part, and the project will provide you 30 plus world class amenities like of, let's check out. Here's a 85% of open space with 14,000 square feet of grand clubhouse on the ground floor. Other amenities like of basketball court, box cricket, garden area, maze garden, kids play area, amphitheater and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built up area. So as mentioned, the project will be having 1, 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies, where 1 BHK starting from 568 to 604 square feet super built up area, but the 1 BHK is completely sold out for now. 2 BHK starting from 1036 to 1073 square feet. 3 BHK starting from 1187 to 1326 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss the booking process, and the project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can directly proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Saparnika Whispering Petals, located in Hoskote, East Bangalore, a project developed by Saparnika Projects.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.